Today, we're going to talk about how to inspire others to stop using plastic. Plastic pollution affects our beautiful planet. It kills many animals and it even affects our own health. But don't worry, because we have the power to prevent plastic pollution. All we need is to work together. We can all make changes in our daily lives to avoid using plastic. Paper bags are biodegradable, which means they break down naturally over time. Instead, we can use reusable straws made from bamboo or metal. Remember, every little step counts and together we can make a big impact. These straws are durable and easy to clean. Simply wash them with soap and water after each use and you're good to go. We can organize local cleanup days to remove plastic waste from parks, beaches, and other public spaces. So let's encourage and support one another in our journey towards a plastic-free world. We can start by supporting local businesses that prioritize sustainability and reduce plastic use. These businesses often use eco-friendly packaging and offer customers the option to avoid single-use plastics. We can also reach out to businesses directly and express our desire for them to reduce plastic use, such as by offering reusable containers or reducing packaging. By working together with businesses, we can push for bigger changes that will have a greater impact on reducing plastic pollution. We can also hold businesses accountable for their environmental practices and support initiatives that promote transparency and responsibility. By encouraging businesses to adopt green practices, we can create a ripple effect that will inspire others to follow suit and contribute to a more sustainable future. This will not only help the environment, but also inspire others to take action. We've already come a long way in reducing plastic use and inspiring others to join the movement, but there's still more work to be done. So let's start today and be the change we want to see in the world. Join the movement and help create a cleaner, greener future for all. Together, we can inspire others to reduce their plastic use and protect the environment. By making small changes in our daily lives, educating those around us, leading by example in our communities, encouraging businesses to go green, and celebrating our progress and staying motivated, we can all make a difference. Let's take action today and create a better future for our planet. Thank you for watching. We can celebrate our successes by recognizing the progress we have made and appreciating the impact we have had on reducing plastic pollution. We can also stay motivated by connecting with others who share our passion for protecting the environment and reducing plastic use. By staying positive and persistent, we can continue to inspire others and create a better future for our planet. We can also host workshops or educational events to teach people about reducing plastic use in their daily lives. By being visible and proactive in our communities, we can motivate others to follow our lead and make positive changes. We can also support local businesses that prioritize sustainability and reduce plastic use. By choosing to shop at these businesses, we can send a message that we value environmental responsibility and encourage others to do the same. By leading by example and being active in our communities, we can inspire others to join the movement and create a more sustainable future. We can start by sharing clear facts and helpful tips with our friends and family. For instance, did you know that plastic takes hundreds of years to decompose? Or that plastic pollution affects wildlife and the environment? By sharing these facts, we can raise awareness and encourage others to take action. We can also share tips on how to reduce plastic use in everyday life, such as using reusable bags or avoiding single-use plastics. There are many ways to spread the word. We can use social media platforms to share informative posts and updates. We can engage in conversations with friends and family, sharing our knowledge and experiences. We can also participate in community events and initiatives to raise awareness and inspire others to join the movement. By educating those around us, we can create a ripple effect, inspiring more people to reduce their plastic consumption and protect the environment. So let's start the conversation and be the change we want to see in the world. Plus, they often come in different shapes and sizes, so you can find the perfect fit for your favorite cup. Not only will you reduce waste, but you'll also be able to sip your drinks in style. So next time you're at a restaurant, ask for a reusable straw or simply bring your own. You'll be doing your part to protect the environment and inspire others to do the same. They're also made from recycled materials, so you can feel good knowing you're helping the environment. On top of that, paper bags often feature unique designs and patterns, making them a stylish choice for your next grocery run. So next time you go shopping, ask for a paper bag instead of a plastic one. You'll not only reduce waste, but also support businesses that prioritize sustainability. And who knows, You might even start a trend among your friends and family. And when we share these changes with others, we can inspire them to take action too. So if you want to be part of the solution and help create a cleaner, greener future, then let's get started. Let's begin by taking care of ourselves. We need to start with ourselves before we can inspire others. Let's talk about some easy things we can do to reduce our use of plastic. First, let's say no to single-use water bottles. Instead, we can use reusable water bottles made from stainless steel or aluminum. These bottles are durable and will last for years. They're also easy to clean. Just rinse them out with soap and water after each use. Plus, they often come with fun colors and designs so you can pick one that suits your style. Not only will you stay hydrated and reduce plastic waste, but you also show others a great example of how to live sustainably. You might even inspire them to switch to reusable bottles themselves. So ditch the disposable bottles and get yourself a cool reusable one today. Make a commitment to drink from it every day and show others that it is possible to stay hydrated without creating waste. Next, let's tackle plastic bags. Many stores now offer paper bags, which are a great alternative to plastic ones. Lastly, let's say goodbye to plastic straws. They are harmful to the environment and most of the time they are just used once and then thrown away. By making these small changes in our daily lives, we can reduce our use of plastic and inspire others to do the same. Next, it's important to educate those around us. Another way to inspire others is to lead by example in our communities. It's important to remember that everyone has the potential to make a positive impact. We must also try to encourage businesses to adopt green practices. Finally, it's important to celebrate our progress and stay motivated. So let's take action today and inspire others to join us in reducing plastic use. Together, we can make a difference.